Hello, everyone. Welcome to this meditation practice. I'm so glad you've joined me today. In this session, we'll explore Eric Schiffmann's counting from 49 to 0 method, which is my personal favorite meditation tool and the one that I use to start my daily seated practice. Counting methods in general can be very helpful tools for concentrating our attention on the breath, as they provide a focal point, making it easier to notice when our minds wander. Your attention, of course, will drift, and this counting method is something that you can come back into. When I first tried this, I couldn't even make it past 40. I had many distractions pulling my attention in different directions, making it incredibly challenging to focus on my breath. But with consistent practice, patience, and persistence, I've made significant progress and can count down from 49 to 0 while staying with the sensations of breathing. Please know there are many tools in the meditation toolbox. It's important to find the one that works for you. You can find links to other meditation tools in the description below. Let's begin by first reviewing this counting method, and then we'll practice together for 10 minutes. So we start first by silently counting both the inhale and exhale. Feel the inhale, count 49. Feel the exhale, count 48. Inhale, count 47. Exhale, count 46. Inhale 45. Exhale 44. Continue like this until you get to 20. Then we're invited to drop in a little more as you feel an entire inhale and exhale before counting 19. Feel the inhale and exhale, count 18. Inhale, exhale, 17, and so on until you reach 0. If your attention wanders from the breath and you lose count, simply start again at 49 with your in-breath. Once you get to 0, you can start again, or drop the counting and see how well you can stay with the breath sensations. I've also included the specific instructions in the description if you're a visual person and reading them is helpful to you. Remember, meditation is a practice. Be patient and kind with yourself. This counting method is just a tool to help you stay focused on the breath and settle into your meditation. You are about to begin your 10-minute meditation. Are you ready? To help you get started, I'll guide you through posture, breath sensations, and techniques for a calm mind. And then you'll have the opportunity to practice the counting method independently. An interval bell will ring at the halfway mark, a reminder to return to the breath and possibly the counting method. And a gong sound will signal the end of your 10-minute practice. So with all that in mind, let's practice together. Please sit well on a chair or on a cushion on the floor with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if sitting is uncomfortable. Let's set an intention together to focus on the sensations of breathing through counting, and to do this practice wholeheartedly to the best of your abilities. If you're sitting, allow the legs and the pelvis to feel grounded and heavy. Torso is upright, but also relaxed, without any rigidity. The head is stacked above the spine, so the neck is not strained, and the rib cage is stacked over the pelvis. Sitting with a tall spine, with the feeling that the crown of your head is gently pushing into something. Relax the shoulders. Separate the lower row of teeth from the upper row so that the jaw is unclenched. Allow your tongue to be relaxed. either resting gently on the roof of your mouth, perhaps behind the two upper front teeth, or allow it to rest on the floor of your mouth. Invite softness in the face, the eyes, your forehead. Now place all of your concentrated attention on the sensations of breathing right at the nose, upper lip area. Feel the cool air moving in, the warm air moving out. Of course, you can feel and follow the breath in another area of the body if you prefer. It's helpful to pick one spot to focus on. Feel and follow the sensations of breathing as though they're the most interesting thing that has happened today. If you feel sleepy or dull at any point in the practice, it's helpful to gently lengthen the inhalations to be twice as long as the exhales. You can do this for a few rounds, steering the mind from dullness to clarity. If you find yourself getting restless, anxious, or agitated, then do the opposite. Lengthen the exhales to be twice as long as the inhales for as many rounds as you need, steering the mind towards calmness. If your mind is already calm, peaceful, and focused, then there's no need to change anything. Allow it to be what it is. At some point, your mind will wander away from the sensations of breathing, either a little bit or a lot. Gently bring your attention back to the sensations again and again, with patience and persistence. If you haven't already, you may begin the counting method using the pace of your natural breath. Inhale 49, exhale 48. Inhale 47, exhale 46. Keep going on your own for the next 6 minutes. There's never any rush to come out of this relaxed and mindful state. Take your time. Thank you for practicing with me. May you carry the mindfulness, concentration, peace, and clarity from your practice into your day.